Oh.
Alas na. Bilang ka.
La.
Bilang ka, gabi na.
1, 2, 3.
Congrats, and this is defended.
Sa lupa'y para akong inaalon at nalulunod sa batikos ng mundo, sa kung ano lamang ang kaya ko. Bigang-biga na sa mga problemang di masolusyonan agad, parang wala nang bukas. Pwede bang umiwas? Hinahanap ang sarili, ngunit di nakakayanan sa ligaw na dinadaanan ko. Saan na to patungo? Saan ako patungo? Dahan-dahan natin simulan muli ang paghakbang. Dahan-dahang tumingin sa salamin upang makita ang ating kagandahan. sa hangin, pansin ko na lagi na lang usok. Walang malinis, halos puro polusyon. Parang ako raw na konsumisyon. Gulong-gulo ang isip, san ba lulugar kapag nagkamali? Grabe sila manghusga. Bakit perpekto ba sila?
Our second most outstanding student leader
Isipin ang mabuti.
from Lasan Campus, Mr. Mark Jellico Amelia, who will receive certificate and endorsement.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Here is your question. What is the hardest question you've ever asked yourself, and what was your answer? I repeat, what is the hardest question you've ever asked yourself, and what was your answer?
Thank you for that question, sir. As a student leader, I believe that the hardest question that I have asked myself is, am I an effective leader? And my answer is yes. I've been serving my fellow CSUans for almost 3 years now, and I believe I created something that created a ripple effect of change that every CSU1 can benefit in most advantageous possible ways. Thank you.
Ang puso mo sa
Hindi pa nag-uot si Nairi, pwede pa ako mag-uot.
Ninth place, Alejandro Castillo, SMU. Eighth place, Rhode Island Cornell, USFP. Seventh place, Avenida B. Fernandez, CSU United. Sixth place, Ben Henry Samaral, USF Together. And our fifth place, Nabi Diaz on ONPC. Third place, Esmal Margarito, CSU Andros. Third place, Guillermo Bonga, Banana State College. Second place, Jesse Jason Brenner, University of Illinois. And for our first place, Sports Writing English, Mariana.
Habang santo para akong inaalam, nalulunod sa tigas ng
Now, of course, hail for our most outstanding student journalist, who will receive a certificate and a plaque of recognition. We award this to Noriel B. Pastor of the CSU Luzon.
Rodriguez from Cagayan State University. Ayan, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat, especially to Luzon Core Group, Visayas Core Group, Mindanao Core Group, and NCR Core Group. This is my second time joining the PACSAT, but this is my first year attending the Mid-Year National Convention way back in March 2023. I attended the National PACSAT Baguio City, and I'm very hopeful that we are here in Boracay. It's my first time actually in Boracay, and it's my first time in riding up today. It's so much fun. And of course, yung kanina sa Moro, nakakatakot yung alon, but I'm hopeful na there will be friendships that will be welded, and of course, opportunities to be unlocked. Ayan po. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. May question po ba? Okay. I promise to my officers that I will not cry tonight. First sentence pa lang. Transformative and innovative student leadership. This phrase has been my guiding principle.
Huminga ka ng malalim at isipin ng mabuti ang mga desisyong ilalaan para sa kinabukasan nang mapapunta sa paroroonan. Kung dahan